Okay. Gender is determined by relating the two sides together, females and males, masculinity and femininity of individuals. In the social process beginning at an early age, gender equality was not until the 1960s. Women groups began followed by the Civil Rights Equal Pay Act of 1963 and the Civil Rights Bill. Gender equality in the classroom based on the Title V passed in the law in 1972. It is an important part of legislation. The law is designed to treat both sexes fairly and equally in the curriculum and interactions with teachers during instructional and extracurricular activities. Gender equality is beneficial to everyone, every woman, girl, boy, and man, families, and nation. Language is a system of many forms of communication. Language is cultural and it relates to the ethnic, geographic, and gender and class origins. Language changes a lot. Two forms discussed were nonverbal communication and second language and instructional language learners. In comparison to gender and language, they both are very essential parts of the classroom. Federal laws require educators to provide equal opportunities for language and gender equalities, providing needs for diverse groups of students entering schools. They both ensure curriculum and interactions with teachers and instructional and extracurricular activities. The difference between these gender and language. They both have laws by the government put in place to ensure the justice and equality for all Americans. Language is a large part of the amount of children of color and minority classes for children with disabilities, while low children amount are placed in classes for gifted and talented. Gender requires readings and instructionals not be sexual biased, and the history lesson should provide contributions to both men and women, female and male. Students share leadership activities in the classroom and discussion groups. And this is why this is my contrast the two multi approaches in differentiation learning in general, gender and languages.